The code for a web page is written using Hypertext Markup Language (HTML). The first computers were programmed using machine language. A file name is a unique name that you give to a file of information. This can be another word for program software. Any data or instruction entered into the memory of a computer is considered as a storage. Which part of the computer display the work done? Monitor. A series of instructions that tells a computer what to do and how to do it is called program. Software is the part of computer that one can touch and feel. The role of a computer sales representative generally is to determine the buyer's needs and match it to the correct hardware and software. Supercomputers refer to the fastest, biggest and most expensive computers. Executive is the process of carrying out command. The rectangular area of the screen that display a program, data or information is a window. The process of computer receiving information from a server on the internet is known as downloading. Disk drive is the part of computer helps to store information. Arithmetic operations include the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. A keyboard is the king of input device. An error is known as bug. A collection or related information sorted and dealt with as a unit is a file. Sending an email is similar to writing a letter. IT stands for Information Technology. A menu contains commands that can be selected. Plotter, printer, monitor are the group consist of output device. Edit menu is selected to cut, copy and paste. The most important or powerful computer is a typical network and is network server. The primary purpose of the software is to turn data into information. The ability to find an individual item in a file immediately direct access is used. To make a notebook act as a desktop model, the notebook can be connected to a docking station, which is connected to a monitor and other device. You can use the tab key to move a cursor across screen, indent to paragraph. A collection or related files is called record. Storage that retain its data after the power is turned off is referred to as non-volatile storage. Internet is an example of connectivity. Testing is the process of finding errors in software codes. A syntax contains the specific rules. A syntax contains the specific rules and words that express the logical steps of an algorithm. Changing an existing document is called editing documentation. Virtual memory is memory on the hard disk that the CPU uses as a extended RAM. Computer uses the binary number system to store data and perform calculations. The the window key will launch the start buttons. To move to the beginning of a line of text, press the home key. When sending an email, the subject line describes the content of the message. Table, paragraph, and indexes work with and with when formatting text is word in word. TB is the largest unit of storage, terabyte. The operating system tells the computer how to use its component. When cutting and pasting the item, cut is temporarily stored in clipboard. The blinking symbol on the computer screen is called cursor. The magnetic tape is not particle practical for applications where data must be quickly recalled because tape is a sequential because tape is a sequential access medium. Row and column are used to organize data in a spreadsheet. When when you are working on documentation on PC, the document temporarily stored in flash memory. 1 megabyte equals to 1 million bytes. Information travels between components on the motherboard through buses. RAM RAM refers to the memory in your computer. Computer connected to a LAN can share information and or share peripheral equipment. Microsoft Office is an application suite. Utilities can handle most system functions that are not handled directly by the operating system. If you receive an email from someone you don't know, then you should delete it without opening it. A set of instructions telling the computer what to do is called program. LAN refers to a small single site network. The full form of LAN is local area network. A collection of programs that controls how your computer system runs and processes information is called operating system. Device driver are a small, special purpose program. Transformation or transformation transformation of input into output is performed by CPU. Data going to the computer is called input. Binary choice offer only two options. To indent the first paragraph of your report should use tab key. Fields are distinct items that don't have much meaning to you in a given context. A website address is a unique name that identifies the specific website on the web. Modem is an example of telecommunications device. A set of computer programs used for a certain function such as word programming is the best definition of software package. You can start Microsoft Word by using start buttons. A blinking symbol on the screen that shows where the next chapter will appear is a cursor. Highlight and delete is used to remove the paragraph from a report you had written. Data and time are available on the desktop at taskbar. A directory within a directory is called subdirectory. Testing is the process of finding the errors in software code. In Excel, charts are created using the chart wizard option. Microsoft hardware consists of three basic categories: physical equipment system unit, input or output or memory. Window is not a common feature of software application. A toolbar contains the buttons and menus that provide quick access to commonly used commands. For creating a document, you use new command that at file menu. Input device is equipment used to capture information and command. A programming language contains specific rules and words that express the logical step of an algorithm. One advantage of dial-up internet access is to utilize the existing telephone securities. Protecting data by copying it from the original source is backup. Network components are connected to the same cable in the star topology. Two or more computers connected to each other for sharing information form a network. A computer checks the a computer checks the database of username and password for a match before granting access. Computers that are portable and convenient for users who travel are known as laptop. Spam is the term of the unsolicited email. Utility software of program control the various computer parts and allow the users to interact with the computer. Each cell of Microsoft Office cell document is referred by its cell address, which is cell's row and column label. 8-digit binary number is called a byte. Office LANs that are spread geographically apart on a large scale can be connected using a corporate WAN. Storage is the process of copying the software program from secondary storage media to the hard disk. The code for a web page is written using the hypertext markup language HTML. A small application program that run on a web page and may ensure a perform is completely properly or provide animation are known as flash. In a relational database, table is a data structure that organizes the information about the single topic into rows and columns. The first computers were programmed using assembly language. When the pointer is positioned on a hyperlink, it is shaped like hand. Thank you.